Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows 11. Now the first thing you have to do is head to your browser and then search for Python, or you can just go directly to python.org. Now we have to download the latest version of Python, which is version 3.10.7. So click on downloads over here and it will take you to this page. You can see version 3.10.7. click on download Python and then it will take you down here where you select the version and how you want to download it. You can see Windows installer down here, 64 bits, and our system is Windows 11 64-bit based system. This is recommended, so click on it and it should start downloading. So you can see it is now downloaded. So let's close this and then open our file manager, downloads, and you can see our Python file over here. I already have it downloaded, so I will just delete one of them. Now left click on your Python, open it, click on install now, allow permission, and it should start installing. Now click on disable path length limit. Yes, and you can see the setup is completed. Now let's close this. Now we have to confirm if everything is working properly. So open your search bar and then search for Python. So you can see this comes with a Python editor. So let's open that and we can run a simple Python program. And you can see it is working. So you can now install your favorite IDE and then start coding Python. So basically this is how to install Python on Windows 11. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.